Tether Gold is forecasted to increase 0.9% tomorrow, per Gov Capital Collector. Let's begin by exploring the most recent market direction. As of this moment, Tether Gold has lost 1% and is holding near $4,665.10. Let's see what the analysts predict today. According to Traders Union, the asset may drift down to $4,648.65 by tomorrow, a decrease of nearly 0.4%. Tether Gold could retreat to $4,659.82 according to digital coin price, roughly 0.2% down. Coin price forecast notes it could progress to $4,683, a rise close to 0.3%. A different prediction from Gov Capital Collector projects Tether Gold might reach $4,709.33, about 0.9% higher than now. To conclude, 30 rates targets $4,738 by May 12 with 1.5% upside. This one holds the top earning potential. That wraps our top projections. Let's dig further. We've reviewed the outlooks. Now let's look at performance data. According to the combined data from each forecast, the market might swing between a drop of 0.4% and a gain of 1.5%, depending on the analyst. That means 30 rates is set to achieve the highest return with 1.5% rise in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could receive between $2 and $15 for every $1,000 you invest. In terms of probability, digital coin price stands out with a 66.1% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've put together a consensus outlook. Consensus calculations suggest Tether Gold maintaining levels close to $4,687.76. Here's the breakdown. The consensus scenario shows a 0.4% climb in price. Said simply, your capital could also climb by 0.4% along with the same change. With $1,000 invested, the potential upside could be about $4. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 63.8%. Let's highlight what analysts predict for the market in the next 3 days. Traders Union describes the near-term outlook as bullish. A flat performance is projected by digital coin price. Likewise, coin price forecast projects calm trading conditions, with Tether Gold anchored around today's levels. Gov Capital Collector highlights that Tether Gold is on an upward path. According to 30 rates, the short-term direction meanwhile points upward. The consensus, built from multiple analyst perspectives, suggests Tether Gold could climb during the 3-day horizon. Summing up, 80% of projections indicate a tilt to the upside for Tether Gold. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were posted. Now we compare them with yesterday's outcome. In the end, the price wrapped up the day at $4,685.60. With this move, only 2 analysts predicted the right direction. Best forecast on accuracy came from Gov Capital Collector. Now let's set it in order. The outcome revealed that only one forecast fit inside the candle. As far as ROI is concerned, several predictions were profitable, but coin data flow stood out with 0.3%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Coin data flow is shown with $68.67 accuracy, 46.8% forecast probability, and 0.3% ROI. See if you can spot which predictions were the most successful. Here's how tomorrow's predictions look for various cryptos compared with Tether Gold. In this ranking, Tether Gold falls below the leader as PEEP holds 4.2% expected performance. This quick view includes 5 cryptocurrencies, and broader cross-asset forecasts are now live on my website. And that's it. Subscribe to see tomorrow's multiple forecasts side by side. See you back here tomorrow.